everyone. Today we meet again for 11th standard logs. Okay. Earlier we had taken one session for logs. Today one more session, because this logarithmic functions are there for certain sums of 12th standard. Derivatives और integration में log के concept है. Okay. So I'm taking two problems for logs today, out of which one was asked for one CET exam. In the earlier lecture, we had seen the rules of logs. We'll just go through them. Same rules are required in the 12th standard. Let us see the rules. देखो सब यहाँ पे log of a into b. It is log a plus log b. It's like opening up the brackets. Actually, you are not opening up the brackets. It is a function. But if you want to remember, you can remember it this way. Log of a into b, log a plus log b. Multiplication gets converted into addition. Rule of division. Log of a upon b, log a minus log b. Division gets converted into subtraction. Log of m raised to n. N comes in front, n log m. n सामने आता है, n log m. उल्टा भी हो सकता है. If you get n log m, it can be written as n ऊपर जाएगा, log of m raised to n. These are the three important rules of logs. Then there is one more rule called as change of base. So if you have log of a to the base b, अगर base b दिया हुआ है, and if you want to remove that base b, तो क्या करना है? Log a upon log b, as simple as that. Take the log of this and log of this also. So why is it called change of base? Base अगर remove कर रहे हैं, तो change of base क्यों बुलाते हैं? Because the base has changed to the natural logarithms e. It is log of a to the base e upon log of b to the base e. To the base e we usually don't write. So ध्यान में रखने के लिए सिर्फ ऐसा रखो. ये base b को अगर remove करना है, just write it as log a upon log b. Similarly, if you have log of p to the base q remove करना है, तो log p upon log q, log upon log. That is how you use change of base formula, right? So these are the four important rules. ज़्यादा करके पहले तीन यूज करने वाले हम लोग. Right? Now, what I have written here is thinking process of solving logarithmic proofs. What is the thinking process? अगर log का problem सामने है, you should know the thinking process of each sum. So if you know that thinking process, it becomes very simple. Logical steps कैसे है वो देखो. Problem number 27 CET problem. Given a squared plus b squared equal to 7ab, to prove log of a plus b upon 3 is equal to half log a plus half log b. Now obviously when this was asked in one CET exam, CET में to prove नहीं रहता है, you have to choose the correct option. So in the CET exam 4 options were given, out of which we have to prove this. Textbook में to prove है, but in CET they are given 4 options like this. एक ऑप्शन में प्लस साइन है, एक ऑप्शन में माइनस साइन है, एक ऑप्शन में 4 है, and so on. Now it has been told that you have to prove this. Okay? So this is a given equation. You have to prove this. What is the hint that I have written? Add 2ab to both sides of the given equation. अभी given equation क्या है? A squared plus b squared equal to 7ab. So how do you prepare the hint? और ध्यान में कैसे रखते हो? क्या करना है? Why do we need to add 2ab to both sides? Think करो, logical thinking. Think over. When do we add 2ab over here? देखो, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared किया, तो क्या मिलता है? a plus b bracket squared. अभी आप पूछोगे a plus b bracket squared की क्या जरूरत है? बिल्कुल जरूरत है, because a plus b is present. प्रूफ में a plus b is present. CET में जब पूछा था 4 ऑप्शन में a plus b present था, तो a plus b कैसे लाओगे? by adding 2ab to both sides. You have to add 2ab to both sides. You can't add to one side. So when you add 2ab to both sides, you get a perfect square a plus b bracket square. That is how you get a plus b. That is how your thinking process should be. So a plus b bracket squared, 7ab plus 2ab, 9ab. राइट हैंड साइड को 9ab मिल गया. अभी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को वी गॉट a प्लस b ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर्ड. a प्लस b तो मिल गया. ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर्ड का क्या करेंगे देखेंगे बाद में. ओके, नाउ टेक 9 इन द डिनोमिनेटर. यहां मल्टीप्लिकेशन इट कम्स इन द डिनोमिनेटर. सो a प्लस b ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर्ड अपॉन 9 कैन बी रिटन एज a प्लस b अपॉन 3 ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर्ड. नेचुरली 9 is 3 squared. तो क्या किया है? I have taken full bracket squared on the left hand side. अभी आ गया क्या a plus b यहाँ पे? करेक्ट. अभी 2 का क्या करना है? We'll see later. That is how your thinking process should be. समझे? That is the reason that we added 2ab to both sides in order to get a plus b bracket squared. Now after we get this, take logs on both sides. Logs for any equation, if x is equal to y, you are allowed to say log x equal to log y. So if this is equal to this, you are allowed to say log of LHS equal to log of RHS. It is like d by dx of LHS equal to d by dx of RHS. उस दिन डेरिवेटिव्स के सम्स किए हम लोग ने, राइट. ओके, तो दोनों तरफ लॉग लिया. अभी क्या करना है देखो. लॉग लेने की जरूरत क्या है? बिकॉज in the proof we have got logs everywhere. So without taking logs we cannot get this proof. अभी log लिया है. अभी log लेने के बाद क्या करना है? 2 सामने आएगा. रूल देखो. log of m raised to n. n सामने आता है. n log n. Same way this 2 comes in front. Clear? Let us go back. On the left hand side we want log of a plus b upon 3. 2 की जरूरत नहीं है. So 2 goes on the other side as denominator में 2 जाएगा और 2 goes on the other side as half. कैसे भी लिख सकते हो. I will write it as half. लिख लिया. थिंकिंग प्रोसेस देखो. वी गॉट द LHS. RHS में वी वांट प्लस साइन. नेचुरली log of a into b. पहला ही रूल है. log of ab is log a plus log b. बात खत्म. सो log a plus b upon 3. Keep half outside. Log a plus log b. हाफ को कुछ मत करो. log a into b, log a plus log b. पहला रूल यूज किया है. This is our answer. I think it was option C given in CET exam. ऐसे 4 options दिए हुए थे. So, clear what should be the thinking process? Okay, let us take one more sum. When I am solving, you tell me the thinking process. Think over, क्या क्या रहता है. Let us take the next. This is problem number 28. Problem number 28. ओके, चलो देखेंगे अभी क्या है. You are given दिस इज गिवन। प्रूव क्या करना है? ये प्रूव करना है। So let us see how we go about this. लिख लो प्रॉब्लम if you have a notebook and pen. You have to prove this. चलो चालू करेंगे अभी। Okay, so this is given to us. ये प्रॉब्लम इट इज जस्ट द रिवर्स of the earlier sum. In the earlier sum, plain equation was given and we had to get logs in the final step. यहाँ पे बराबर उल्टा है, log is given and final step में log नहीं, remove करना है. Thinking process देखो अभी. Let's write the given equation first. Okay, I will take half common. I will take half common. Clear? Then, because you have a multiplication sign, I'll take 2 on the other side. क्लियर? नेचुरली दूसरा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है ना, यू हैव टू टेक हाफ कॉमन. सो हाफ कॉमन लेने के बाद log x plus log y and this half goes on the other side as 2. Clear? So you get this. Next, कौन सा रूल यूज करोगे? 2 रूल यूज करने हैं. ऑब्जर्व, if you want to ignore logs after some time, log के सामने कुछ नहीं रखना फिर. So अभी we have seen over here, n अगर सामने है, it goes on the other side as log of m raised to n. 2 अगर सामने है, 2 को ऊपर लेंगे. I'll take it in the index using this formula, same formula. एक रूल हो गया. आप बोलो, थिंक ओवर. log x plus log y. log a, sometimes you have to go from the right hand side to the LHS. log a plus log b. log of a into b. log x plus log y. log of x into y. Now you will think, why did I take this 2 here? Why did I use that rule? As I told you, I don't want 2 in front. Because whenever there is no number in front of log, you are allowed to ignore logs. It's like cancelling logs. अगर ये 2 है तो log cancel नहीं कर सकते. I mean, you are not allowed to cancel also. It is just a way of remembering. You are allowed to ignore logs. In the earlier sum, we took logs on both sides. यहाँ पे log remove करना है. लेकिन रिमूव कब करोगे? जब लॉग के सामने कोई नंबर नहीं है ऊपर. निग्लेक्टिंग लॉग्स, इट्स लाइक कैंसलिंग. कैंसल नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं. सो यहाँ पे क्लोज कर रहा हूं. सो व्हाट डू यू गेट? इग्नोर लॉग्स ऑन बोथ साइड्स. x minus y upon 5 ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू xy. x into y is xy. अभी इग्नोर क्यों किया ऐसे सोचो. because in the final answer log is not there, इसलिए ignore कर दिया. You get this equation, and for ignoring we do not need any number in front. पक्का ध्यान में बैठ गया अभी, I'm sure. Okay, so this is what we get. प्रूफ में क्या चाहिए? x squared plus y squared. तो क्या करेंगे अभी? स्क्वायर अपॉन स्क्वायर करेंगे. 5 squared is 25 xy. अभी आसान है. 25 राइट को ले लो. a minus b bracket squared. हो गया प्रूफ. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड x squared plus y squared चाहिए सिर्फ. Take minus 2xy on the other side. Minus 2xy goes on the right hand side as plus 2xy. So यहाँ पे दोनों problems लिए हैं, both were like converses of each other. Okay, one was the opposite of the other. So ये from all these problems, from the problems that we have taken today and in the earlier lecture, we have learned the rules of logs. Remember them. ये problem try करो. These are useful in the 12th standard also, right? So these were the basics and fundas of logs. And like last time I told you, there is one trigonometric lecture for which trigonometric functions lecture, which formula are useful in the 12th standard, which are not. So that I'll take later on. Okay? Trigonometric function का lecture बाद में देंगे. So that is all for today. Thank you. Practice this. We'll meet in a day or two. Bye.